Hey my YouTubers, this is your girl Winfire69 and I'm coming to you with another video. I hope everyone's having a fabulous new year. Yes, it's 2018. I'm wishing everyone showers of blessings. For my subbies, for my Instagram followers and my Twitter followers, just want to wish all of you guys a healthy 2018. So I'm here today with an unboxing. You guys know that on my Instagram account that I had posted what Stephanie had gave me, what was coming out in the coming months, and I had put my order in and my items came in. So you guys already know that Stephanie is no longer with Louis Vuitton. So I actually deal with Sunny. A lot of people reached out to me in regards to Sunny. You guys can always hit her up and text her and ask her if she have certain items, that's available. She is the go-to person. She is the expert Louis Vuitton client service person. Hey, Sunny. So, she had texted me and told me that the items that I had on reserve came in and to come and pick them up. So I said, okay, fine. But on Saturday, I had dropped off a Speedy 30 to be repaired. The zipper pull had ripped off, so I wanted to get that repaired. I had purchased that. My mom asked me to purchase a bag for my cousin, and that was really the only thing that was wrong with the bag, which was a good thing. I also had purchased something for my cousin to put on her bag, and my items had came in. So I said, let me get everything. Unfortunately, when I went up there today, the bag wasn't ready. So they're going to overnight it to me. So I said, okay, fine. But all was not lost because I was able to get my items. So let me start with the first item that I got. I got some perfume, some samples. Sunny, I always ask Sunny to give me samples because my father loves them and things like that. So I always ask her to get me some samples. And my cousins love them as well. So the first item I want to show you came in this box. All these items still have Christmas wrapping paper, the Christmas, stuff on them. So this item is an item I got from my cousin, and I got her luggage tag with her initials on it, LH. So when I get the bag, then I will, hook it up and put it on there and, So, but I might just give it to her like this, and then I'll put it on for her so she can see how it would look on her bag. So that's the luggage tag that I got. Luggage tags are getting very scarce. You're not going to find them so easily like first time. And it's like on back order. So I don't even know if they are going to make any, So again, I'm not too sure. So the next item I want to show you guys, it came in here. And this is an item that I wanted. This item is the animal leopard print of the Bandeau, and this is brown with black and red, reversible, and this has a leopard on here, and on the other side of it has a motif or the monogram. So the front is monogram with a splash of graphics on it. Okay. And then the other side has just the monogram. And this is a full-size bandeau. This is not the BB bandeau. This is full size, and at the ends of it, it has Louis Vuitton here. Okay, so that's that one here. I like this. This is very busy. You wouldn't even know it was, from a distance, you wouldn't even know it was Louis Vuitton, because it's a very busy, bandeau. So busy as in like the print, So that's that one there. I had picked up the Confidential. I had purchased the Confidential in pink, but I decided to exchange it for a different one. And the reason why I did that, because I already have two Confidential Bandeaus. One that's cream and black, and then the other one which is brown and gold. So I didn't think it was necessary for me to get the same exact print in pink, you know. So I got this one here, which is the Poodle Bandeau in a very pale pink. And this is a full-size bandeau. This is not a BB. So it has poodles going all the way down on both sides. And then when you open it up, it has that grayish, silverish Louis Vuitton monogram. So it's white, you know, with that, the background as in like a silverish or platinum or, you know, gray, very light gray, you know, background. And this is also a full size one as well. Okay, so that's that one there. And that's full size. What is this here? No, that's that. And I told you guys, I think I got the samples. Okay, so the last item that I got, this item is an item that I wanted. I got a bonus, and I used some of the bonus to pay my bills, and then the other half of the bonus, I said, I'm going to buy this item. I knew the item was coming out. I knew when the item was coming out, and I really wanted the item. So I decided to wait. I reserved one, and I got it. So let me show you what I got. I took it out the box and everything, so it came in a box like this. So I got the Swarovski or Swarovski crystal encrusted bird's bag charm. So I got this Swarovski, whatever. I can barely pronounce it. Crystal. So this is the bird's bag charm again, and it has the crystals on the eyebrows, which is cute, and the crystals on the eyes. Let me show you. See? So, and then the back. So the back is the same color as the eyelids, which is red. Okay. And I'm loving this. This is so nice. This was a pretty penny. I was really shocked. I mean, last year's bird's bag charm was expensive, but this one here is even more because it has the crystals, you know, it has all of that. So yeah, you're gonna pay for it. But you know, you guys, I am a collector of bag charms. Since I've gotten this, now I'm going to do my bag charm collection. When I get an opportunity, I'll definitely do it by the end of the month. Before the end of this month, I will do it. So this is that funny face or the bird's bag charm. This is the birds, and then they have the puppy one that's supposed to be coming out. I asked, it's supposed to be out with this one, but I asked Sunny if she could order it for me and let me look at it, and then I'll decide if I want to get it. So this is this here. So I think that is it for right now. Nothing more for right now, but I guess as we go along, I'll show you. Again, this is my birthday month, so I've purchased items and they haven't come in as yet. So when they've come in, I will show you. So I think that's it. I've talked a lot. I don't want my video to be too long. I want everyone to enjoy the rest of their week. Please be safe. For my New Yorkers, You know we having a snowstorm coming, so I want everyone to be safe, be warm. If you don't have to go to work, don't go. I know I have to go to work, so I'm going to go to work tomorrow. But for the rest of everyone, if you have time, take it off. Don't be out there in the snow. I mean, like, it's going to get really bad. So, yeah, so I think that's it. So I keep saying I think that's it. And I think I'm forgetting something. But in my next video, I will probably remember. So till next time, stay blessed, be safe. Bye now.